Hi lovelies, welcome back. Today I share with you this delicious Ogbono soup that everyone around keep asking for more. The deliciousness of this soup, honestly, you cannot resist it. If you want to know how I make this soup, watch the video to the end and let's get started. To begin, in a pot, I'll be adding in all the proteins properly washed and clean, okay? So I'll be adding in the shaki. Here I'll be using some goat meat. Feel free to use any protein of your choice. Cow skin and some chicken. So I went ahead to season with some onions, but this is optional. I added some season cubes, some salt to taste. Mix to combine. Yeah. Cover the pot and let it cook on its own juice for about 10 to 15 minutes. While we are waiting for the meat, so here is the Ogbono seed. Now I went off camera to blend it into powdered form. Yeah. We have some red palm oil. Now went ahead to mix thoroughly with the palm oil till the ogbono is well combined. One stone set aside. Some minutes later, we are checking on the pot, so I went ahead and gave it a properly stir. Now add some water to the level of the meat in the pot. Now cover the pot and let it cook until it is 80% done. Some minutes later, I checked on the pot, so now it is time to season it up. I added some season cube, uziza powder, some fresh pepper, obey,
I got your back on this, so anytime, any place where you stay. MIRA'S kitchen there for you. MIRA'S kitchen.
crayfish. I added the ogbono bit by bit into the pot. Once done, I gave it a gently stir, cover the pot and allow to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes.
Enjoy yourself, Otabi follow. You don't need to bother yourself, my brother. Whatever it might be, it's always a solution. Looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with. I got your back on this, so anytime.
3 minutes now, I checked on the pot. Yeah, now the ogbono is done, so I gave it a gently stir. The type of aroma coming out from this kitchen, honestly, you cannot resist it. So after that, I went ahead and added in the grilled mackerel fish. For the choice of vegetable, I'll be using dry uziza leaf and bitterleaf. You can check it out on the channel to see how I preserve my vegetables and how I wash my bitter leaf the perfect way. Okay, so look at me now adding in the bitter leaf. Once done, I gave it a proper stir and cover the pot and allow to cook for extra 2 minutes. Have you tried cooking your ogbono soup using bitter leaf? If you have not, honestly, you are missing out. Try it out and you will never regret it, okay? So 2 minutes later, I checked on the pot. Kenena, putu. So I gave it a gently and lovely stir. Honestly, The aroma coming out from this kitchen, you can never resist it. So now we are done. Turn off the cooker and set aside. So the next, it is time to serve. Enjoy this soup with any swallow of your choice. The soup tasted super delicious and yummylicious. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment, and turn on your notification bell to be notified whenever a video is being uploaded. To my returning subscribers, thank you and God bless you. Thank you guys for watching and see you in my next one. Remember blessed.